Here we have a 2003 Mercedes SL55 AMG, 12 years old, with 661 miles. A one-off, complete one-off, finished in brilliant silver, completely original, exceptional car this. You know, we sell so many different types of cars, but this is an irreplaceable car. 661 miles, unbelievable. That 5.4 V8 engine, nearly 500 brake horsepower. So it was, when they produced these cars, that engine as well, it's very comfortable, it's usable, it's powerful. It's got lovely spec, heated, cooled, massage seats. It's got the glass roof. What a car. What a car. I love when we get cars like this. Front and back parking sensors. And it's an iconic shape, isn't it, the SL? It always looks really, really well. 18-inch AMG wheels in silver. You've got your V8 compressor badging along the wings there. The interior, I'll actually open this up. Just have a little look at that. Leather, the condition. It is exceptional, really. What a car. You know, if you're a collector of cars, what a car to add to your collection. A 661 mileage SL. Upgrade BOSE sound system. You can see on there you've got your heated seats, your cooled seats. It's got your massage seats as well. And then at the rear you've got that quad exhaust system. Beautiful. It's got air suspension, so it just sits and drives beautifully. Oh, look at this. What a car. Just come and have a look, just bring the camera in. There you have it. 661 miles. Start it up. Sweet as a nut. Beautiful. You know, you've got, I've spoke about the seats. I'll just show you the car as well with the roof up. It's got the glass roof as an option. They didn't all come with this, which is lovely. Glass roof on an SL when the roof's up was always a lovely extra. I'll show you that now. Look at that. What an example. This is like one of them cars where, do you know if my dad said, I'd love a little sports car just to buy and keep. This is like, it's like a brand new car. There's that glass roof, which is just beautiful. You've got a little internal blind what covers. There's a wind deflector behind me there as well. But even the steering wheel is just like new. Beautiful. Beautiful car. Sells itself, you know. 661 miles, completely original. Don't really need to tell you much more about it. It's going to go live on all our platforms. If you want to contact me, you can, but that is a special SL55 AMG. What a car.